At Advanced Technology Services, our industrial parts repair services deliver expert mechanical and electronic component repairs across the manufacturing spectrum. The expert talent at our best-in-class facilities perform parts repair within a rigorous cataloging and cleaning process, while also upgrading components to meet our minimum standards of parts reliability. Regardless of aging equipment, altered specifications, or obsolescence, our repair services provide customers with cost savings and improved uptime. With the skill and experience to perform a variety of repairs, ATS helps customers save time and money. ATS electronic repairs include parts such as motor drives, industrial controls, and human-machine interface terminals, while our mechanical repairs include servo motors, spindles, mechanical and valve components, and more. From Allen Bradley servo drives to PLCs, gearboxes to cylinders, ATS technicians perform repair that not only meets minimum standards, but proactively replaces high-failure components with equal or upgraded counterparts. ATS repair technicians have an average of over 10 years of experience. This expertise and commitment to reliability means our customers can save 40 to 60% on repaired parts versus buying new. And with a competitive service warranty and expedited turnaround time, our parts repair capabilities are the industry leader in value and dependability for factory equipment. To learn about all our electronic and mechanical repair capabilities, visit advancedtech.com.